I've kind of got the carburetors adjusted, and I want to see if it will start now. So we're going to give it a shot. All right, so I'm turning the fuel on. Fuel is on. Let's see. I'm going to check out the carbs. Carbs are tickled. Got the choke on. I'm going to crank it over a couple times because it's completely cold. Okay. Ignition on. A little bit of throttle. Okay, let's see what happens.
So good.
All right, there you go. Fuel came out that time. So a little bit of gas. Choke's on. All right, good. Started. That's exciting. Choke will come off. If I turn the choke off, it cuts off. least it starts up, it runs, but now, like I said, I have to keep the choke on for it to stay running. So I got to figure out what that is. Is it running too lean? What adjustments do I have to make on it? So got to read a little bit about that. So anyway, got it running. I'll be back with you here. Okay, so as you can see, I got it running, which is encouraging, and that's a good thing. At least I know it runs good. But the problem that I'm having now is that initially I couldn't get it to turn off. I mean, to stay running without the choke on. Eventually, I'm able to make some adjustments to where I could get the choke off, but it barely ran. And then when I gave it throttle, it shut down. So I know it's a matter of just making the right adjustments on the carburetor. So I'm gonna read up on that a little bit more and see what I can do. I've got a set of new carburetors. What I may do is just swap those out and see. Maybe there's some crap that's caught up in one of the jets or something on this. That's why I can't get the adjustment right. But I think I'll keep playing with it for a little bit, and then I'll probably, if I can't get it to do right, I'll probably swap out those carbs and see what happens. I'll videotape this, me swapping them out too. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I'm still got the issue with the brakes, but I kind of was giving that a break for a little bit, just to see if I can get it running. Once I get it running, then I'll go back to the brake issue and tackle that. So anyway, again, I want to say thanks to on any sun-dried mule. He's been helping out, and Six Bike Garage been helping me out a lot. So you guys, thanks a lot again. I can't say it enough, but I appreciate it. So if you guys would, please subscribe, like, and share so I can get these videos out to as many people as I possibly can. I appreciate everything, and I appreciate all the comments. So keep them coming. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Thanks.